The route is being calculated.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are heading down to the Barnegat Lighthouse on Long Beach Island, Old Barney. Taking the back roads down. I got my buddy Dan from Ride Safe Die Anywhere with me again. He's following me. I'll link his channel down below. Second time we've got together to ride. Going down the back roads down 539. I was going to check out McMahon Road that Moto Rider 41 told me about, and I just came up on it too fast and I missed a turn, so it kind of runs parallel to 539. Looked like a cool little windy road. We'll have to check that out next time. But yeah, if you haven't checked him out, Moto Rider 41. I think it's 41. If it's not, buddy, I apologize. I'll flash the name on the screen, and I will link his channel down below with Dan's. He told me about that road. He rides down here a lot. I think he's from South Jersey, so he knows these roads a lot better than I do. And he recommended that road. He's got a video out riding through the Pine Barrens. So go check him out. We're just going to ride down here, jump on 72, head east towards the ocean, ride through LBI, and stop and see Old Barney and grab something to eat. Beautiful Saturday afternoon. How are all my YouTube people doing? I guess, you know, it's May now, so everybody should be in full swing with their riding season no matter where you are. Through the US, up in Canada. I hope wherever you are, the good weather has come to you like it has here. I hope you're getting out on those bikes. I've been trying to catch up on everybody's videos. I appreciate everybody watching mine, leaving comments and likes. I try and return the favor as much as I can. And it's beautiful out today, man. It's a nice day to cruise. Nice way to spend a Saturday afternoon. Yeah, I wanted to take a ride down here to LBI before Memorial Day weekend. Because once Memorial Day weekend comes, it's going to be a traffic jam. Crawling with Bennies. Now, if you watch my channel, you should know what a Benny is. If not, go back to the What is a Benny video and watch it. Find out some useless New Jersey information. Although it might be pretty crowded today because it's a beautiful day. So I'm sure a lot of people headed down to the shore. When I got the bike, I always take the long way down. I always avoid the parkway as much as I can. The nicer the weather gets, the shittier Parkway South gets. I love it down here. I like South Jersey a lot. It's where most of my family is now. I'd like to eventually get down here one day. So the only thing that's holding me back is my job. I work up north in Jersey City. And I know a lot of people do that commute, but I don't know if I'm ready for that yet. Either South Jersey or maybe get the hell out of New Jersey altogether one day. But it's definitely nice down here. I like it down here a lot. Kind of slows down a little bit when you get down here. A lot more relaxed. People are a lot more friendlier. Just a whole different vibe.
Right after half a mile.
Going over the bridge over to Manahawkin Bay. Will bring us into Long Beach Island. So we're heading north up through Long Beach Island. The lighthouse is at the north end. Funny story, a couple years ago, about 5 of us rode down here on the bikes, and my buddy Bobby was leading, and we said, oh, let's go take a ride down to the lighthouse. And somehow he got us lost on a little island, a little strip of land with a lighthouse on the north end. I mean, not only him, we all got lost. And so the joke after that was, like, Bobby could get me across the country and back without a GPS, with all like paper maps and shit, but he can't find the lighthouse on the end of a little skinny island. At the beach in the Atlantic Ocean would be on our right. And Long Beach Island is made up of, like, I think 3 or 4 little separate towns. Going through Surf City now. It's nice here. This is one of your more, like, relaxing shore areas.
You have reached your destination on the right.
There she is, Old Barney. Yeah, well, Dan's getting ready to ride.
Huh? Alright.
Ready?
The Red Bull's kicking in. Alright.
Alright. Now we're ready. Alright, now that Dan's done doing his calisthenics, we're gonna leave Barnegat Lighthouse now. We were going to grab something to eat, but it looks like everything's still closed for the season, believe it or not. So we're gonna head back up 539 to Plumstead Grill. Alright, so I got us lost, turned on the wrong road. We should be back on track in a little bit. At least I turned on a nice road. Oh well. Alright, now we're back on track. What I get for not using a GPS. Alright guys, we're going to pull into the Plumstead Grill a little bit up the road here, grab something to eat. As long as I don't pass it, I'm not too great with my directions today. Anyway, as usual, hope you enjoyed this video of our little ride down to Long Beach Island. If you did, give it a like, leave me a comment. If you have not yet, please hit that subscribe button. I'll see all you guys in the next video. Keep your head on the swivel out there. Later.